Alright, what do we got
And
here?
there's a Minka Air Supra pretty much in storage now.
Oh no, what happened there?
Don't worry.
I think they're installing them, or they're taking it down and putting a new one.
Or
That might be the
or
old.
they don't have enough room.
That might be the old stuff. That's somebody moved out and they're putting in new stuff.
Or maybe that's they don't have any room. You know how fan collectors are? They have a bunch of fans.
No, that had nothing to do with it.
Actually, I've seen a lot of fan collectors. In fact, there was not in any room. Oh look, there's another one.
Oh, and that one's actually on.
And stalled. But seriously, there was barely any room. They had to disassemble it and
No, they're probably
split
installing
the-
a new version of the fan
the blades and the motors apart.
because they moved out. Because you could see the old refrigerator
Oh, you should go to Roblox and you should see Mom.
out on the patio. They're putting in the steel one.
Oh, or
Oh, look at the moon. Check out the
They're in the middle
moon.
of making the newest top 1 extreme geometry demon.
Check out the moon. If I can get my hand to stay still long enough to.
Yeah, I
Calm
think they're
down.
gonna. Yeah, I think they're gonna make like 5,000
It's hard to get.
perfect by ceiling.
Okay, we'll just leave it alone.
You remember when I used ceiling fans to make a geometry dash level?
What? Let's see you guys later. Bye, guys.
Geometry dash.